India students. Welcome back to the online classes with us, Shriram Public School. We started our classes after the vacation with a revision test, and today is the day when you will see your revision test answers and the explanation of the answers. After this, in the evening class, we will be having a discussion of the answers and your marks, after which we will be starting our new topics. Now, your first question was to separate the subject and predicate from the given sentences. The first sentence was, the boy stood on the last bench. And your answer is, your subject is the boy and stood on the last bench is your predicate. As we have already discussed, whatever we are talking about whom we are talking in the sentence is the subject of the sentence, and whatever is remaining is the predicate. But still, it was a doubt for many of the students, to which I am very sad. Now, the next question. The singing of the birds make me happy. So, the singing of the birds is described here. Birds ka gana, and that is the subject of your sentence, the singing of the birds. And what does it do? Makes the speaker happy. So makes me happy will be the predicate. Now, a good boy passed the examination. Now, we are talking about a good boy. Boy, along with its adjective good, is the subject of the sentence, whereas the remaining part, that is passed the examination, is the predicate. Now, the next sentence. It is very hot. Now, it is the subject and is very hot is the predicate. The cow gives us milk. What gives us milk? The cow. Now, the cow, we are talking about the cow, so the subject is the cow, gives us milk is the predicate. The earth revolves around the sun. So, what revolves around the sun? The earth. So, the earth we are talking about, so it will be the subject. Whereas, if we would have said that planets revolve around the sun, then the planets would be the predicate. Whereas, if we change this object, the sun, as the subject, we will have again sun as the subject and earth as the predicate. But here the sun is the object and the earth is the subject. So be very clear about what is being talked in the sentence. Edison invented the phonograph. Who invented? Edison invented. So Edison is the subject and invented the phonograph is the predicate. Delhi is the capital of India. What's the capital of India? Delhi. So Delhi is the subject and is the capital of India is the predicate. Next, we cannot make the ocean dry. So we is the subject and cannot make the ocean dry is the predicate. No man can serve two masters. So no man, we are talking about कोई भी आदमी नहीं. तो कोई भी आदमी नहीं, that's the no man is the subject and can serve two masters is the predicate. Now, question second. In question second, it was very simple. A correct form of noun you had to fill. We all love honest. Honest के साथ, अगर honest है तो adjective है तो उसके साथ हमें एक noun चाहिए होगा. But here we all love honesty. Honesty noun है. The knife needs sharpening. Sharpening नहीं, sharpening. My house has 4 rooms. A large crowd is expected. See, you had to find the missing word. कहाँ missing है और वहाँ पे क्या correct word होगा. There are 3 dash in my team. Women. 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 Next, there are many in my house. What? Children. Even the PDF itself says that children's is wrong. It will be children. Child का plural children. Children's कभी नहीं होता है. Dash of soldier visited our academy. An army. Soldiers के लिए what do we use? An army. They are very good dash clothes. Clothes का plural, there are two plurals, CLOTHES or CLOTHS. So both the plurals are correct. Depends what is given in the option. There is a dash at my school today. There is a holiday. I wear polished shoes. So these are your answers. You can match. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. This is my book. Very easy. Those books are yours. Here is your book. Take it away. The baby has torn its clothes. Those beggars are idle. They refuse to work. Now the question answer. Define phrase. Of course, phrase is a group of words that work together to make the sentence complete, but it is not a complete sentence. It does not have a subject and verb of its own. Name the 5 types of sentences. Declarative sentences जो कि statements होते हैं, interrogative जो कि question होते हैं, imperative जो कि command होते हैं, exclamatory जो sudden feeling express करते हैं और optative जो कि blessings बताते हैं, आशीर्वाद and all. What are clauses? They are a group of words that contain a verb, especially a verb should be there, thus they form subject. A clause may form part of a sentence as we have already discussed. ये उपवाक्य हैं, ये वाक्य साथ एक्स्ट्रा लगाकर वाक्य को कंप्लीट ही ना करके उसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मीनिंग ऐड कर देते हैं. दोनों ही काम करते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन, एनी 4 टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन आई टोल्ड यू टू राइट. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, whatever you feel like. If you find more, you could have written. You might have got answer for everything if you had written. Name the 5 types of pronoun: personal, demonstrative, reflexive, reciprocal and interrogative. There are many more pronouns as you all might be knowing. If you are not knowing, please check out the videos of the nouns and pronouns and be thorough with all these topics, which are very easy. These are your answers. Go through it once more if you want. Of course, next class onwards we'll be going through our new lessons and we'll be learning some common errors of verbs, of formation, sentence formation, and some interesting topics, of course. That's all for this video, for this lecture. In the evening, of course, we'll discuss maths. Be ready for it and don't miss the class. Don't miss these video lectures. Grammar forms a vital part of your life. It plays a very important role in your life. So it's not for your school or for your subject or for your marks. It's for lifetime. If you learn grammar, it's for just lifetime. So never miss any grammar class of yours and see the complete lectures. That's all. Thank you. Have a good day.